been out here for an hour and a half already, and I'm going back in for some breakfast because I'm hungry. It's 7:30, maybe close to 8, I think. I don't know. But I see Will on the balcony, and Avery is awake. He has Avery on the balcony as well. It's actually really perfect out right now. The air is still, the sun is gorgeous, not unbearable. It's about 74, and there they are. See if I can zoom in. Oh. And just below that is the conference room for breakfast, so I'm starving, so I think I'm gonna get some breakfast. Aww. Avery, was that fun? Playing in the water? Drink your water? Hayes and Will are still out there. The waters are pretty rough and choppy. Then again, we're at the south end of the beach, so to be expected. We got sand in our hair. And Avery loved licking the salt water off of her hands. We'll have a little snack and some water. We're inside at the pool now. So the kids have fun in the pool. We have some floaties over here. This is for Avery. We bought this at Myrtle Beach. This little baby float. This is cute. And then, of course, Paisley has the puddle jumper if we get in the bigger pool. But they seem to be having fun in here. Oh, goodness. We have her turned around backwards in the float because she's chewing on that little toy bar there, and Will was concerned that she was going to pop the entire float because it's connected and they're not piece by piece. So, Will, don't do that. And don't let her get too far. Is that yummy pizza? We've had baths. And now I'm just having a little pizza. Avery's taking a nap. This is from our Planet Pizza dinner last night. I'm sure we'll end up at Doughboys across the street or the pizza place across the street for pizza for her later. It is gorgeous out today, guys. So beautiful. Definitely getting some R&R before the move-in, before the movers get there next week. Okay, so it is 2:20 and I've just showered. I took the longest shower ever. Shower, shave, washed my hair because obviously I was at the beach, so I got sand in my hair and we went swimming in the pool, got my hair wet. So I washed my hair, took the longest shower ever. Avery's been napping for the last, I don't know, almost 2 hours. Paisley is happily watching Sophia the First on the iPad. She was supposed to be taking a nap. That's why it's dark in here, because I have all the lights out and the curtains are closed. And she has not napped at all, so I feel she's gonna go down early tonight because we're gonna go back outside to do activities out on the beach, like ride the family bike. Will went to Lynn Haven Mall because he forgot his running shoes, and you know he can't go running. He can't go a day without running, especially being at the beach. It's just unheard of. He actually ended up running barefoot in the sand this morning. So he went to the mall to get a pair of running shoes, and I also sent him to the Mac store for me to get some more makeup that I actually needed that I didn't do before I left Bragg. So it was a win-win. So I got some nice shower time. It was really nice, and yeah, that's it for now, and then we'll be back out later. So I'm gonna have to let my hair air dry because I forgot a blow dryer. I mean, I kind of let them pack it thinking that, you know, every single hotel I stayed in would have a blow dryer because most hotels do, and I don't think this one does. It's so crazy, but no biggie. I mean, we're at the beach, so it's not like I'm really gonna be doing my hair every day. So I mean, I'm just gonna have those beach waves and salt in my hair, and we're just gonna go with the flow. And then I have this Virginia Beach tank. It's so old. I think I got this like a few years ago when I came to the beach in the winter, probably like January. I think Paisley was only 11 months old, and I came here just for fun, and one of the beach stores had it on clearance, so that's why I have it, and I just so happen to have it right now. We're sitting under a hotel awning. We're waiting to catch the trolley. We're gonna go find somewhere to eat dinner. I suggested we just ride up and down the beach in the trolley until we see something that we want. So here's the trolley stop. So you're on trolley.
Security. This bus is being audio and video.
So we're literally just parked on a grassy knoll back behind the boardwalk. We got some Chinese to go from one of the Chinese places, and so we're just gonna have a little picnic here. Avery's got some fried shrimp and french fries. Paisley has her pizza from Doughboys, so everybody's happy. You eat your fries? Yay! Going for a ride. He likes it.
See why they do 2 hours. So they get tired of that.
What do you think, Paige? It's a little pirate area.
This morning there were all kinds of surfers out here. Some kind of surfing thing going on.
Oh, she's tired. Ooh, look, fishing. This fun little playground over here. We're at the end, all the way to the south end. We're taking a break. That was a serious workout right there. At least there's a nice breeze. Hi, girls. So pretty.
Yes, I planned it.
Catch 31. Some kind of show. Here is Neptune, Neptune's Park. I call them King Triton. We're at the north end of the beach. This is it. Well, this is as far as you can go for the boardwalk. Ooh, these look like nice condos. Lots of concerts going on tonight. There's always something fun in Virginia Beach. We put Avery in the ergo because she was getting tired and starting to rock. Avery, look. Say hi. Alright, Paige is gonna help paddle. Well, not really, but she's just gonna ride this way. Yay! There's the ocean air. I love that place. I've never stayed there, but those are amazing condos from what I hear and see. Splash pad over there. Ice cream cone. This is from across the street. It's chocolate and mint on a chocolate dipped waffle cone. Kids are upstairs with Will because they're all tired, and I just wanted to kind of come out and spend a little bit of time walking on the beach at night. It's just really peaceful out there. A little chilly, but it's really pretty. Very serene and calm. But lots to do, lots going on.
Now don't get confused and think that by trying to follow God's laws, you'll get to heaven. Just like you. But I'm a sinner who has been forgiven because I have repented. I have humbled myself and repented. And how do you repent? You repent by confessing your sins, abandoning your sins, renouncing your sins, turning around, and putting your faith in Jesus Christ. Lying, stealing, coveting, adultery, murder. I murdered a lot of times. I committed adultery a lot more times. I'm a sinner. And so I have a Savior in Jesus Christ. He offers forgiveness, folks, because none of us will ever qualify.
Say good morning.
Oh boy.
Yeah. It's Father's Day. There is the most spectacular father in the world. What a beautiful morning. What a beautiful day. There's lots of sunshine and fun heading my way. I don't know, I just made that up. Alright guys, well I'm going to end this here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.